how to create some stairs above the dead zone. Hi guys, as our dead zone is now ready due to all the needed components, we will make it as a prefab. So select the dead zone and put it inside the prefab folder. Then erase this dead zone, we don't need it anymore actually. So what I will do, I will duplicate. So I'm typing Ctrl D and I will select it and I will move it as we already did the first time here, just near all those skulls. So guys, each time our player enter inside those dead zones, we must listen a freaky sound. So let's try on running the game. So guys, 3, 2, 1, action. First sound, second freaky sound. That's good guys, great guys. Let's create some things to avoid this dead zone. We can make some kind of stairs just above the dead zone. So to do so, click right in the hierarchy window, choose 2D option and select sprite. So let's call it stair. Here choose some things which look like stairs. So let's go below. I think we can find something relevant. Sorry guys, we can take this one. Okay, why not? Let's put it just above like that. So guys, we will reduce its scale in the Y direction. So to do so, let's select the scale tools and let's reduce like that. Okay, we'll make it a little bit more teeny than the ground. Okay, and then guys, let's add a box collider 2D to it. Okay, so in that manner the player can jump and stand above. So guys, let's tag it as the ground. In that manner, when the player will stand above, we will have only the idle animation. So guys, let's now make this stair as a prefab. I will select it and put it here, and let's duplicate some here just above all those skulls fence and even here. So guys, I will do it fast, and we must be sure that the player, when he runs, he could go through the dead zone, but even you've got the option to go and stand inside the stairs, sorry. So guys, here are all the stairs that I've put. Actually, I've put once more here because those stairs was too high for the player. He cannot jump directly here. So guys, now normally everything must work because I tested it. This is a long process. So guys, our guys can avoid the dead zone like that, but he can even, you know, go through it. So guys, that's great. So guys, let's reorganize once again our hierarchy. I will create an empty game object which will be a folder that I will call it stairs, and I will put all my stairs that I've used inside. So now this is much more better. To create stairs above the dead zone, create a sprite with a box collider 2D component.